Hello students, my name is Sonali Kanande and today we will see about the codes or the type of codes. So let's start the session. So what is coding system? Coding is the process of alternating the characteristics of information to make it more suitable for intended application. So it is nothing but the coding system. So here are the types of the codes. Digital system codes are BCD code, XS3 code, extended BCD, interchange code, then error detection code, UNI code, ASCII code, extended ASCII code, gray code. This is nothing but the type of codes. So how do we select a coding scheme? It should have some desirable properties. Age of coding to increase efficiency of the transmission. Age in arithmetic operations, minimum use of hardware, error detection property, ability to prevent wrong output during transmission. So first coding system is the BCD coding system, that is binary coded decimal. So BCD is a convention for mapping binary numbers to decimal numbers and for decimal to binary numbers. When the decimal numbers are represented in BCD, each decimal digit is represented by the equivalent BCD code. So for example, BCD representation of the decimal number 6349 is 6349. That is, we take the binary number of 6 separately, binary number of 3 separately, 4 separately and 9 separately. Binary number of 6 is 0, 1, 1, 0. Binary number of 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. Binary number of 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. Binary number of 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. So combinedly, this number is called as the BCD number of the 6349. Here we take the separate binary number of the each digit and combinedly called as the BCD, that is binary coded decimal code. Zero to 9 decimal digits need to be represented in the binary code, which must contain at least 4 bits. 4 bits can make up to 16 different combinations. Only first 10 combinations are used, that is 0 to 9. BCD is different from binary representation. 50 is binary is 1111. Here is the binary coded decimal numbers of the 0 to 9. The binary number of the 0 to 9 is same as the BCD codes. Here is the example of the BCD code. If sum exceeds than the 9. For example, let's add 56 and 98. This is the binary number of the 56. 0101 0110 plus 98. This is the binary number of 98. 01001 1000. Then addition is, if we add 0 plus 0, answer is 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. That is, here we take the 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Then this is not the BCD number. So we can add here 6. 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. We add here 6. And then again do the addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. 0 plus 1, sum is 1. Here 1 and carry 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. 0 plus 1, sum is 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carries 1. Again 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carries 1, and 0 plus 1 again 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carries 1. So here we take 1, 1 as it is. This is the binary number, decimal, this is 5. This is the binary number of the 0101, that is decimal number 5. This is decimal number 4. This is nothing but the 154. The next code is the XS3 code. The XS3 code is obtained by adding 3, that is 0011, to the corresponding BCD equivalent binary number. So here is the chart of the BCD number, decimal number, and XS3 number. So if the decimal number is 0, the BCD code of the 0 is 0000. If we convert BCD code into XS3 code, we add here 3, that is 0011, and then the XS3 code is generated. The next number is 1. The BCD number is 0001. Add here 3, that is 0011, and here the answer is 0100. So here we add in BCD codes we add here 3, and then generate the XS3 codes. So this is the chart of BCD number, decimal number, and XS3 code. Then extended BCD interchange code. This is the 8-bit code. It contains the number from 0 to 2 raised to 8 minus 1, developed by IBM. Rarely used today, and IBM maintains only. Then error detection and correction. We need a mechanism of correcting the error that occur. It is not always possible or may prove to be expensive. It is necessary to know if an error occurred. If an occurrence of error is known, data may be retransmitted. Data integrity is improved by encoding. Encoding may be done for error correction. Then error detection code. Error detection code detects the error during transmission of data from one location to another location. Error rate cannot be reduced to 0. To achieve error detection, we use a parity bit. Then error correction. A parity bit is an extra bit included with a message to the total number of ones transmitted, either odd or even. Parity bit allows us only to detect the presence of one bit error in a group of bits. It does not enable us to exactly locate the bit that changed. Parity bit scheme can be extended to locate the faulty bit in a block of information. So there are two parity generators, even parity bit generator and odd parity bit generator. So this is the even parity bit generator. Odd parity bit generator can be formed by inverting the output of the even parity bit generator. So this is nothing but the codes or the types of the codes.